Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 14.5.8 and we are going to counter malware with Windows Defender. You recognize that the threat of malware is increasing and have implemented Windows Defender on your office computers. In this lab, your task is to configure Windows Defender as follows. Add a file exclusion for the graphics cat.jpg, add a process exclusion for welcome screen, update protection definition prior to performing a scan, perform a quick scan. So let's start up. We want to go into Windows menu and search for Windows Security, and we go to virus and threat protection. Then we scroll down to we scroll up and let's see. Let's scroll up and let's go back. Let's go to, let's try, no, this feature is not available yet. So we'll go back to virus and threat protection and let's scroll down to something, manage settings. Under manage settings, we scroll down to add or remove exclusions. So here we're going to add exclusion and we are going to add a file rather, and the file that we're going to add is located in drive D under graphics, and the name of the file is cat.jpg, and we're going to add it to exclusion, process it, and add the process exclusion for welcome.screen. Okay, so here we want to include welcome dot screen and add. Then we go over to go back and let's scroll down. Let's go back, check for updates. Let's check for updates. Okay, so this is done, and let's go back. Let's do a quick scan. Okay, so we'll go ahead and score lab and see how we do. And this is a pass. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. You can reach me through my email, and don't forget to join my professional membership where you have access to other videos that are not included in this series. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.